So how do you pick winning stocks? How do you trade well if you are a position trader? Check this video out. Hey guys, so I'm back here in Qatar and I'd like to invite you to our sessions here. I'll be here for the entire week where I'm going to talk about the basics of the market up until how you can pick, select, and time the best stocks out there. And in the same way, we're going to also have the Registered Financial Planners event on Friday. So I'll put the link below if you want to join us. Hi guys, so the market is up and it's been zooming after the bounce that it had a few weeks ago. If you remember the past videos that I've posted, that the goal in winning in the markets is to find strategic reversals on how you can find stocks that have been battered but have started to zoom up. So that's the goal, no? If you want to be a position trader, the way to win is just basically find stocks that have dropped, wait for it, don't buy at the bottom. Please remember, the biggest misconception with a lot of people who are trading is that they try to find and pick the bottom of the stock. If you do that, that's a losing formula because no one can predict where the exact bottom of the stock will be. The goal is to find those that have been battered down, and there's a thing that we use in stock smarts that will determine if a stock is oversold. You can use that also as a parameter. But above and beyond that, the goal is to find stocks after they have been battered down. They've started to consolidate for a bit, but you don't buy there. You buy them after they have consolidated and have started to break out and have started to reverse. The thing about that though, the thing about that narrative is if you buy stocks that have broken out and have started to reverse, they're not at the cheapest point possible. But the goal at the end of the day is not to buy at the cheapest point possible if you are a position trader. If you are an investor, of course, I know the narrative. You buy them when they're cheap, you buy them when at a certain point they're at a more favorable position for you. But if you are a position trader, the goal is reversals. The goal is to find stocks that after they have been battered down, they start to reverse and start to go up and move at a very fast pace. Case in point, Cebu Pacific has been battered down. It's been hugged last year, especially last year when oil was relatively higher. It's been in its downtrend, but as of today, it's still progressing in its reversal signal. That's how you win. You find stocks similar to that. Also similar to that is FGen. FGen has been pretty much been battered down. It's been in a long downtrend. But what's amazing about that, it's now also reversed, but not just reversed, it's progressing in its uptrend. Also similar to that is Bloom, similar to that is AGI. So you find stocks with those kind of narratives. Either you want to buy it because there's something fundamentally changing and the charts are confirming it, or you are just buying it just because the charts are showing you that it's reversing fully. Now, there are some stocks also that are similar to that in this perspective, but you have to remember, if it does not fully reverse, you must sell and cut loss. This is not a foolproof strategy that you won't lose money. You have to remember, every time you trade and invest in the stock market, if it does not go the way you want it to be, there will have to be a point where you have to cut and sell. The goal again of every time you want to be a position trader is basically this. If the trade is not going on your behalf, sell, cut loss, but lose a smaller amount of money. But when the trade is working and going towards what you want it to be, you hold and maximize your position, and that's how you win, and that's how you can do it over and over and over and over and over. And that's why SEB, that's why Bloom, that's why AGI, that's why FGen are doing very well, because they've reversed fully. Some of the stocks maybe you can watch out for, check out MRSGI, check out MAX, as long as they stay above their reversal points. For those who've watched our videos or attended our sessions on moving averages, you can reference the 200-day moving average for that as a key indication that's still bullish and it's reversing. So that's it. What's nice about that is it's something that you can do. It's something that's sustainable. It's something that wherever you are in the world, you can allow yourself and build the skills to trade that. So please remember, if you missed out on those narratives, you missed out on buying those stocks, it's okay. Why? Because similar to reversals upward, there will come a point in time later on when they start to reverse downward. If they reverse downward, you take profits and then it goes down again. If you were not able to buy before, you will have an opportunity again to buy. exercise discipline, and I can never stress this. I'll stress this over and over and over again, above and beyond the technical tools that we have, above and beyond the numbers, the narratives, the parameters to buy. It's all about exercising the right amount of discipline, that if the signals are there, your goal is to just to proceed, buy, execute, and actually do it. It's not just about having great ideas, but having the ability to put and execute the right amount so that you get to benefit from it and you build the skill for that. So that's it. It's nice to be back here in Qatar. I'll be here for the entire week, and I hope that you guys also benefit from our sessions here. So I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. Marvin Germo from Qatar. See you all again soon, guys. Bye-bye.